Sorry guys, a bit late as usual. This is the setup. And this is little Ellie, we're ready to go. Alright guys, so we finally made it. The gang here. Hello Huddy, how are you? Hello little Liam. Oh, look at you, a little version of Shan. And we'll be off to Kenilworth soon. Alright guys, we finally arrived, finally picked the spot. It's going to be here. We'll set it up very soon. Alright guys, so we're finally set up, but as you can see the weather's pretty shit. But yeah, look at our campsite. Got the fireplace there. Vong residence. Ware residence. And there's little Hudson. Even though it's raining, we're going to make the most of this, and tomorrow is going to be an excellent day. This is Ellie. As you can see, she's in a pretty good mood. Tezza, comfortably in his chair with his wife beater on. There's the wife. There's Huddy. Alright guys, it's dinner time. Everyone's preparing stuff. Tezza and his jet boil virginity. They're cooking potatoes, steak, and Bill's camp there. Looks like some chicken patties, are there? Make some mad sangers. And there's Hudson with his strawberry milk. Alright guys, we're all chilling by the fire. Actually it's this camera doesn't pick up anyone's face at this time of night. But good morning everyone. We all had breakfast this morning and it's looking like a lovely day. Much better than yesterday as when we were packing. Everyone seems to be a little bit more happier. This is the setup. Adam came in at night, and it's gonna be an awesome day. This is Hudson. Alright guys, we're currently en route to Booloumba Creek. There will be some pretty mad creek crossings. But yeah, this is the convoy, and it's gonna be an amazing trip. The water is crystal clear. Just went for a swim. Pretty cold, but it was pretty good. Now we're off to the bakery.